Another year of life, oh life, another day to make it right. Another chance to laugh or cry. Another year of life, oh life. The wind it whispers tales untold. The sky keeps changing blue to gold. Oh, I've walked through fire, I've braved the cold. Still here.
Hi Carl! Happy birthday!
Alam mo namang hindi ako spoker person, but I really wish you the happiest birthday. Sana okay ka, mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually. Mahal ka namin. Dito lang kami. If you need something, wag financially. Ayun lang.
So yun, wishing you a day filled with happiness, laughter, and all the things you love. May this year bring you good health, success, and wonderful memories. Oh, Nox, GPT yan. Anyway, so enjoy your special day. Deserve mo naman na, syempre, yung mga things in life na, deserve mo. Kasi lahat naman bagay naman deserve, di ba? Deserve. So yun, enjoy mo yung day mo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Carl! More birthdays to come. Sana makita ka namin ulit. Wow, God bless.
It has been quite some time, brother. Happy birthday. Enjoy. And I hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Carl. Just wishing you all the best for your birthday, mate. Hope you're having a great day. Lots of laughter, lots of fun, mate. Hope you're having some good food as well. We'll chat all about it in our next chat. But yeah, just wishing you all the best, mate. Chat safe.
Yun bro, magandang araw sa'yo, magandang gabi, magandang lalaki ka. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best sa career mo and stay healthy. Yan lagi talaga, diba? Health is wealth lagi para sa atin. Then alagaan mo yung sarili mo para maalagaan mo rin yung pamilya mo. Din makapaglikod tayo kay Lord. Happy birthday, brother. Ingat lagi, stay safe at sa pamilya mo. God bless. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, bro Carl! We pray for your good health and thank you for being part of the D group, and God bless you more and always be a light to your family and yun lang.
Yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, brother Carl. Message. Ako muna. Bro, happy birthday, bro. And I really pray to God na mas maging healthy ka and mas makilala mo siya talaga and mas maging leader ng family nyo.
Yun bro, happy birthday. Kilala mo na ako noon pa, kaya wala na akong mga sa'yo mga messages. What I wanted you to do is to become the leader of your family. Maging fearful ka kay Lord on top of everything else. Tsaka mahalin mo family. Yun lang. Happy birthday again, bro.
Happy birthday, Kathleen!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Carl! So yun, bro, happy birthday, and hindi namin alam kung gaano nakatagal yung ating pagsasama sa CCF sa D group. And we are so blessed for you to be part of our D group. And most of all, siguro sabihin ko na yung talagang eagerness nyo para sa mag-asawang mag-grow, as you lead the family, as you are trying really hard to seek the Lord with all of your heart. Mahirap, pero talagang we can see that. Lalo na sa physical fitness. I believe na malaki na yung na gain na-loss nyo na na-loss nyo ng weight. Yan. So ayun mga kapatid, we thank you so much and sa generosity nyo rin sa pagpapaunlak lagi sa inyong bahay to be our fellowship place. Ayan. And yun lang, so happy for you to be part of the journey ng discipleship, kapatid. And your patience yan dyan sa work, sa family, patiently waiting to the Lord. Ayan, yung pagsisik nyo lagi ng counsel ng asawa sa amin. Very so blessed for you to be part of our D group. Yun lang kapatid, God bless, and praying na maging physically fit pa. Of course, higit sa lahat maging spiritually fit. Ayan, kumbaga mag-grow pa lalo sa relationship, sa walk ninyong mag-asawa sa Lord, yung family sa Lord. Yun lang, brother. God bless, God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Yung lahat
Kuya
ng-
Carl, happy birthday sa iyo. Mabuhay ka ng matagal.
Happy birthday, Kuya Carl. Ang ulam namin kanina, Jollibee. Sa mga buta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carl. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Pa. Happy birthday, Kuya Carl.
Happy birthday! Siya lang yung may buhay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Inuwanan ng liwanag sa Happy birthday, Kuya Carl!
Okay, hello kuya. Hello. Ito nga po, kakauwi nga lang po namin. Ayan, magkasunod nga lang po kami.
Greetings, akala ko
Opo.
greetings. Ba't parang vlog na yan? Opo,
Kuya.
kakauwi lang.
Opo, update. Ito, sumayin natin. Kuya.
Ano?
Happy birthday. More birthday to come at more sleep sa amin to come. Kasi pagpunta namin dun sa pupuntahan, matutulog kami. Ano sabihin mo? Kuya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, kay Dina. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dada.
Ay.
Happy birthday, Dada.
Mama.
Happy birthday, dear Dada.
Ayun na yung ano.
Oh, blow your cake na.
Blow na, blow
Happy
na.
birthday.
Blow. Yeah, very good. Gusto mo ano?
Love ko naman. Happy birthday, Dada. Thank you for caring for us. And KB and Mama loves you. Say daw, love you, Dada. Love you, Dada. Happy birthday.
Mama, Will! Will!
Say, happy birthday, Dada.
Will!
Oh, yeah. Walang you. Say happy. Do you love Dada?